Don't you wish you lived here? This is actually one of the coolest places in Macau, and I just have a very different perspective of it today. So we're going to talk about it a little bit. And just to give you a little idea, this overlooks the Cotai Strip. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, you see this massive place? These apartments, I think they're like about $2 million. I don't know how big 2 million would get you, but just to give a little context, this is Must University right in here, and then down that way is the Cotai Strip. So I'm on my bike, and I'm just going to go by this one in a minute with my bike, and just kind of show you and tell you what it's all about. But anyways, like right on the other side of this, there's this giant mountain called Taipa Grande. It's really beautiful to be able to walk around, and the paths go right behind this building. So this building is kind of up in the mountains, and overlooks the Cotai Strip as well, which is kind of a world tourist area, of course. So let me just see if we can get around a little bit. I don't know what these ones are. There's a laboratory, something civil engineering, must be part of the campus. So anyways, this giant building right here overlooks the Cotai Strip, and you got this really beautiful pavilion right there too. And I think like tourists, when they're on the strip, myself included, I'm always like, yeah, what's up there? I really want to go and check out that place. But it's all private property. And then look, there's a little stairwell right there too. So that stairwell is also just for people that live in that apartment. Lots of construction everywhere. Let's see if we can get around this guy. So yeah, there's this little circular thing is also kind of interesting too. And then I'm just going to go down the Cotai Strip, and then I'll come back and I'll film this in a minute. And then you get a better context. But it's like right in the middle of everything. So you have this kind of cool little circular walkway. I think you can see the whole circular thing from here, right? And I'm navigating all this stuff on a bike, so I guess I'll go over to the other side and I'll shoot it on that side, so you can get a good context of this. Here's our Morpheus building from the side, and then here's this giant building right here. In this kind of context, this giant expensive condo has this big circular thing that goes all the way around like that, which goes around the roundabout, which goes around like that, and then the Cotai Strip that goes all the way down, and you can see Venetian over there. And I'm going to film down on that side in a minute. Okay, so now we're going down this beautiful Cotai Strip, and then I'm going to turn around in a minute. Oh, got stairs here. I'm on my bike, so I guess I'm not going to go, but I can turn around right now. And then you can see that circular pattern, and you can also see this big building, but we're going to have to go down a little bit past the City of Dreams and come out over there. But I might as well show you a little bit of what the strip looks like from this area as well, just so that you can get some good context of it. Yeah, so that's that building. That looks pretty cool from here. Any stairs here? I think I'm okay. Okay, City of Dreams, and then that's our building right there. So so that whole building right there overlooks this whole Cotai Strip. So actually, if you have a room there, you can overlook this every single night. To be honest, when you live here, it actually you get used to it, so you don't really think much about it. But I can see where, like, for a buyer who has the money, that would probably be pretty impressive. And then if you can see this little thing right over in the background right there, that's actually for the planes. When the planes come in, it's like a tower, so they'll navigate all that stuff. Okay, so that overlooks the Cotai Strip. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.